It's time for practice now, so I'm gonna show you how to use the stakeout today on the EDM. So we're gonna jump into programs, and on the EDM, this is program number 3. So we're gonna go press 3, or just jump up and down, find 3 and go enter. We're gonna use same job as before, so I'm gonna show you, this is set job, site and grid, as we're gonna be actually setting point, the grid line intersection. So press 4, and now you can see this screen here. You can see the angle and you can see the distance, and that's the easiest way to find the point. As you're gonna be turning your EDM, it tells you the angle. So 120, so I know I need to turn it plus this way, right. 120, you see it going down, down, down. So I'm going there. Okay. So you can see. Now I know I'm on the line direction. The angle is 0, so my EDM is aiming at the line. The only thing I'm gonna check is the distance. So when I press distance now, it's gonna tell me how far I'm from the point. So I know it's 4 meters from the point, and I actually got the height, so I know it's gonna be 700 lower than I'm shooting now at this table. So 4 meters, I'm going 1.8, go a little bit more, 700, little bit more, 200, and you can see now it shows me even here when I'm getting closer and closer. Depends how you're going to set your accuracy, but it shows me 5 because I'm within 25 millimeters now from the point, but I'm going to go for perfection as always. So you can see 0, 0, and that angle is nothing really. So that's how you're going to be finding the points. You just, the easiest way, just turn your EDM as it tells you the angle, and then shoot it wherever surface you're going to be shooting, and it's going to tell you the distance you need to go to find the actual point. But another thing I want to show you, there's also a few other options here, because that's the best and the easiest way to look for it. But if you press the page, you're going to find the delta length and delta T, and it's going to tell you as well, you have to go, just tells you how far you need to go from the EDM right hand side and then towards the target 1.1 meter. So you know now you have to right, and then 1 meter there, right. So it's very similar, but then I really find it the most easiest way, as I show you the first screen which says stakeout 1. But the next thing is another page which is going to be very useful when we're going to be using the local grid system, which I set later. I'm going to show you actually how to change the global grid coordinates to the local grid, and we're going to be working later with the local grid. So I'm going to keep this for later video. I just want to show you here now, as we are in the global grid, but you can still really use it, as this is going to be showing us east and north. So that's very good as well. So now similar to the previous screen, we see we need to go 2 meters on the north and 4 meters on the east. So same way we can find the point, but to have it in global coordinates, that will be very difficult. And as I said, in local grid, that will be very useful, as we're going to be using actually the stakeout program to mark the lines as well. Guys, I of course forgot to tell you something which I showed you on my previous video when I went through the settings, but of course, as you want to see the difference in east, north, angle and wherever, you're gonna have to change the EDM on a non-prism, in this case actually, and tracking. So that's the option we're gonna be using when marking the points, really using the non-prism mode, as the tracking is the best way to see. Guys, that's it in today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I believe you just make another step forward in your setting out site engineering knowledge. If you have any questions, if something was unclear, please let me know, leave in the comment below. And please guys, subscribe to my channel and turn the notifications on so you're gonna know when my next video gonna be released. So thank you again for watching and see you next time back on my channel.